Good morning, everyone. So here is the breakfast and lunch scene at Lathus Kitchen. So the breakfast is LittleMillet Idlis. The proportion for this idli is 3 cups of little millet to half a cup of urad dal, half a cup of poha. Is the proportion I have added and fermented the batter and made idlis the next morning. To pair with moong sambar, lots of veggies added, carrots, brinjal, onions and tomatoes goes in. This goes well with the idlis. This particular sambar is our family favorite. Morning as usual, dry fruits, walnuts and golden pepper milk. For lunch it is white rice for her and Kerala rice for me. I avoid white rice as much as possible. The gravy I made Vathakuzhambu made out of white chana, potatoes and some bitter gourd. This is a gravy, tangy gravy. Towards the end I grinded some coconut and I have added the paste. This goes very well with some mild side dish like this one, doodhi. I just boiled the doodhi and tempered with little onion, green chilies and some grated coconut I have added towards the end. For some crunch I am keeping her some chips. Hope you find this useful. Of course, for dessert I have given her some nice til chikki. It is winter started. Any form of chikki which keeps the body warm, either flax, til, peanut. Today is til chikki along with some dark chocolates. While she might not like dark chocolates, it's very good. Hope you liked it.